This 2021 Forest River Cedar Creek 377BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 40 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 10, awning, water heater, auxiliary battery, TV, DVD player, stovetop burner, oven, skylight, microwave, smoke detector, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bunk, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Cedar Creek 377BH is 12,679 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.